Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coaster using the 2 knots we learned in the previous videos. At the end of this video, you'll get a coaster like the one in this picture. Now let's get started. First, you're going to attach 10 strings to the dowel using lark set knot, which make 20 cords attached to the dowel. I used single twisted strings 4mm and cut them in 50 inches each. Those lark set knots will be untied after all knotting is finished, so you don't need to worry too much about how they would look like. Its width is 4 inches long, so if you want to make it bigger, you can add more strings with even number and add more square knots. Now tie 5 square knots for the first row. You can check the link above for how to tie square knots in details. Have you noticed that I keep twisting the working cords when I tie square knots? Tip number 1 here. Especially when you use single twisted strings, they might be easily untwisted and the coaster wouldn't look pretty when finished. So I recommend you keep twisting while working with this type of cords. You don't need to do it when you use braided or rope type of cords though. And finish the rest 3 square knots for the first row. Now for the second row, the first 2 cords will be skipped and start square knots with the next 4 cords. In this way, you're attaching the 2 knots created in the row above to the knot created in the second row. We call this type of knotting as alternating square knot, and it's used for many projects with panel patterns like wall hanging. Now you got 5 square knots in the first row and 4 in the second row. For the third row, tie 5 knots again just like you did in the first row. But instead of knotting right below the first row's knots, you should put a little gap in between so you can make the third row look pretty horizontal enough. And did you see that I keep pulling the first filler cord down? Here's my tip number 2. The first filler cord might be bent more while joining the upper knot, so make sure to pull the filler cord down straight to make it pretty. Continue this alternating square knot so you can make 11 rows in total, and the last 11th row will come with 5 square knots. Finish it knotting 11 rows. Its height is 5 inches long, but the Finish It coaster will get a little longer with fringe on both sides later. It's time to detach your work from the dowel. Gently move the Finish It work out of the dowel and untie all the lark's head knots you made because you don't need them anymore. Use the scissors to cut the cords to make an inch size of fringe on both sides. Do not cut them too short in case you should keep trimming to make the fringe pretty. And then comb out using your comb or pat comb. I use single twisted string and you can use your fingers to make fringe, but using comb or pat comb would help you speed up. Pink coaster just finished it, and the beige coaster I made with the same 4mm strings. For this orange color, 3mm strings were used, so I added 2 more rows, which are 13 rows in total to make the similar size. This dark pink one was made with 5mm strings and I did 11 rows, but the overall size got a little bigger as you could expect. Hope this can be a good reference when you make yours later. Thank you for watching.